folks, how you going again? SkyPilot here. Today I'm going to give you guys a treat. If you have an Eachine E58, you're going to want to watch this. So guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you guys what to do if you have an Eachine E58. What's he talking about? So if you look at my last few videos, or a dozen or so, you can see me raving about the Eachine. Excellent drone, flying, ease of use, flying difficulty, battery life, bang for your buck, spot on. However, I have a gripe. First of all, I'm going to have a drink. It's a bit hot here today, which is why I've got my fan going. So my gripe with this is, compared to the GepRc, is we've got a nice little carry case here, and we've got a not so nice box. So we want to take this away. What do we do with the box? Okay, get rid of the box, then we've got this. So what do we do with this? It just goes everywhere. Everything falls everywhere, completely hopeless, and look, I've got crap flying everywhere. SD cards flying out. We've got props and bits and pieces of stuff flying out. I don't know what's going on. Introducing the Eachine drone carry case. RRP, got this from Banggood. Cost me about 25 bucks. Yeah, it's 25 bucks, but look, you'd rather have this, or would you rather have this? So I've got a couple of these Eachine, so without further ado, I'll just put this stuff away here. Get them out of the way. So, also come with little carbon fibre looking finish. Quite a nice finish, probably a bit nicer than the Elfie one. Although this is a bit softer, but it's still pretty cool. Don't get me wrong. This one's a bit harder, harder to touch, so you can shove it in your backpack or wherever, shouldn't get damaged. 2 zips, 2 is better than 1. Nice little carry handle here, detachable. If you don't want it on there, if you think it looks a bit camp, whatever. I think it's probably pretty handy myself. So we'll open them up. Thick bit down the bottom, skinny bit up the top, like so. And we're presented with much order, which is excellent. So your drone fits nicely in there. Your remote unit fits nicely in there. Your spare batteries. We've included little holes here so you can actually put your fingers in. That's pretty cool. I like that. Little slot here for your spare props. So that goes in there. This actually comes out if you want. So you can see it's just made of foam and plastic, but nicely laser cut out. And you get a little bag at the top here where you put whatever you want. I've got my manual up there. USB charger. The third battery. Small piece of stick. Don't know what that's doing in there. That's, I think we'll get that out. Okay. Awesome. And if you want, I'm flying this on with an Apple device, so that can sit in there as well. So we have our 2 batteries in there, and look, this just makes it a lot easier to fly with. There's plenty of room here to put your SD cards. So sorry, minor SD card malfunction. So yeah, as I was saying, you've got plenty of room to put all your bits and pieces. Your third battery, generally I keep it just shoved in there, not all the way, otherwise it's connecting, but just tap it in there. Plenty of room for it to slide in. Make sure your props are in. Everything's in nice and tight and orderly. And off you go. Zip it up. Go for a fly. there you have it, folks. Yep, simple review of the Eachine case. Pretty handy, good bit of kit. Hope you got something out of this. Drop us a comment, like, subscribe, all that sort of hoo-ha. Got some more good videos relating to Eachine pairs coming up. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll chat to you soon. Bye for now.